get through a night without you, if I had to leave without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, and baby, you will take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live without you? There'll be no sun in my sky, there will be no love in my life, there'll be no one left for me. And now, no, baby, I don't know what I will do. I'll be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, and baby, you will take away everything good in my life.
This should build your confidence going forward. The last 2-3 weeks you haven't been doing very well, but this is decent, you know. Still not 100%, but it really should get you going for the next couple of weeks.
You need to polish up, get spot on, 100% spot on key.
You need to keep working hard. You're still not like in tune with the music, but I like the fact that we can hear you.